Hey there, FlexFit Pro family. Welcome back to our channel, where we empower each other to reach new heights in fitness and well-being. Today, we're diving into some creative workout hacks using everyday items you probably already have at home. These hacks not only make your workouts more accessible, but also remind us that success often comes from thinking outside the box. Let's face it, sometimes getting to the gym can feel like a monumental task. But what if I told you that you can achieve incredible results right in your living room? With a little creativity and courage, you can transform ordinary household items into powerful workout tools. First up, let's talk about chairs. Yes, that sturdy chair in your kitchen can be your new best friend. Use it for tricep dips to tone those arms or for step-ups to get your heart rate up. It's a simple yet effective way to incorporate strength training into your routine. Plus, it's a reminder that every little step counts toward your growth. Next, grab a couple of water bottles. These aren't just for hydration, they can double as weights. Fill them up to your desired weight and use them for bicep curls, shoulder presses, or even as resistance during squats. This hack not only saves you money, but also shows that you can make progress with what you have. Now, let's get creative with towels. A simple bath towel can be a fantastic tool for resistance training. Try using it for seated rows, or even as a slider for your feet during core workouts. The versatility of a towel is incredible, and it's a great way to challenge yourself in new ways. And don't forget about your stairs. If you have a staircase at home, you have a built-in cardio machine. Running or walking up and down the stairs is a fantastic way to boost your heart health and build strength in your legs. It's a small change that can lead to significant results, proving that every effort you make contributes to your overall success. As you incorporate these hacks into your routine, remember that fitness is a journey. It's about progress, not perfection. Celebrate each small victory, whether it's completing an extra set or simply showing up for yourself. Every time you choose to move, you're investing in your growth and well-being. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these hacks inspire you to get creative with your workouts and remind you that you have everything you need to succeed right at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Keep pushing forward, and remember, your journey is uniquely yours. Until next time, stay strong and keep shining.